how to make garlic bread. You are going to start with a stick of melted butter. You're going to need a lot of minced garlic. You're actually going to need a little bit of granulated powder, garlic powder, a little bit of Italian seasoning, a little bit of oregano, and I actually like to use a little bit of basil. Everybody loves my garlic bread. Preheat the oven to 350. And let's get started. I'm actually making 2 garlic breads at once because we have a lot of family coming. I just spread it on, almost like you're painting with a spoon. We don't eat this too often. A lot of butter in this garlic bread. Okay, with a clean spoon, I'm gonna get the minced garlic, and then with the other spoon, the butter spoon, I'm going to spread the garlic. So I'm going to be grabbing a lot of garlic. So I separate it every so often. And then I'm going to spread it out. So I want to say I did about half a teaspoon blobs. So half a teaspoon, half a teaspoon, half a teaspoon. So 2 teaspoons on each side, I want to say. And then I'm going to spread it out with that butter spoon. And if I need more, I could use that clean spoon and get some more. I'm gonna need more. I would say I need about 1 more half a teaspoon on each. Okay, next going on is my seasoning. I start with my garlic powder. This gives a little extra crunch. And it spreads out that garlicky flavor throughout the whole bread. Next, I'm gonna add my Italian seasoning. Just sprinkle it all over. Next, my oregano. Whoops. Okay, there's no lid, so I'm gonna just put some in my hand. Do a little pinch all over. Next is basil. Basil has the separator. It's nice, colorful flavors. Bake it at 350 for about 20 minutes. And then it's got a nice crunch to it. I'll show you what it looks like at the end.